Hello and welcome to a new CrocFIX video. So what we have a mobile phone, the brand is Samsung, the model is Galaxy A30S, and we will replace the battery. You will need about 20 to 30 minutes and the difficulty level is around 5. How to support? You can subscribe, buy parts from my links and donate if you want. Thank you very much. So this is our Samsung A30S and we will open it and replace the battery. First, remove the SIM card tray here. Then we are going to need a heat gun. I will heat up a little bit, maybe for a minute or two, at around 180 degrees and with a safe distance. Always heat carefully as the back is made from plastic and you will be fine. Then we are going to need a suction tool, suction cup, to remove the back cover. At first you need to gently pull the back cover out. Once you have this small little gap, you can help yourself with your fingernail or with a plastic tool. Just try to get off the back plastic a little bit from the frame and then just go step by step around so the glue will just stay on the back cover. You can always seek help with a plastic tool or plastic card just to cut a little bit. If you work slowly here, you can be successfully and you can reuse the back adhesive tape, so you won't get to need any glue or something later, as this phone anyway is not waterproof. We are almost done, so just this small little piece here more. There we go, the back cover is detached. Now you need a Phillips screwdriver and you have to unscrew all the screws here around the frame, around the middle frame. Then we'll need to remove this middle frame. You can help yourself again with your fingernails here, just make a small gap. Then you can use this plastic tool and go around that it makes click, 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 click. You know what I mean? Just to separate the middle frame from the LCD frame. Some couple of centimeters more and there we go. We are almost done here. So just click. Okay, so it's separated. Let's disconnect the battery here. So I'm disconnecting here the antenna just in case. Maybe you don't need to disconnect it, it's up to you. And disconnecting here the bottom flex cable here from the bottom motherboard. As you see now, the motherboards are removed from the frame because this is from an old video where I replaced the screen. So just don't worry about it, you can leave the motherboard inside. Just work from these steps as like to remove the battery. Lift it up a little bit, slowly, carefully, and then proceed with the new steps. Okay, once you lift it up a little bit, you can use a plastic tool or a plastic card. Just put it under the battery and slowly cut the adhesive tape. If it's too strong, you can use a little bit of alcohol, put it here, a little bit inside, not too much, just some drops, and then proceed further. Just take your time and work carefully, that's it. There we go. So I'm sticking here a little bit adhesive tape on the back of the battery just to stick it in the frame. You can put some pieces around on the bottom and then just press gently the new battery inside the frame. Glue it to the frame with adhesive tape. Let's connect back the main flex cable to the upper mainboard and to the lower mainboard. Have a look if everything is connected, the antennas, connect the battery back. Okay, now let's put back the middle frame, put it in place and press gently everywhere in the corner to make the click. Press, press, press everywhere around. Now we will need to take all the screws and put it back in place. So, screw, screw, screw. As much as you can. I'm joking, just gently. So we will need to put the back cover back. I'm gently heating it up a little bit to make the adhesive tape softener. And that's it, and then just put it in place and press it inside the frame, everywhere around, just to stick it good inside the frame. Just press all around and then take the SIM card tray, put it back, and there you go, this is your Samsung with a new battery. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions you can comment below and I will try to answer them. If you want to donate and support my channel, many thanks, the link is in the video description. Subscribe for more videos, your CrocFIX.